Hi everyone, welcome to the Millennial Lifestyle Fix. My name is Nishma. I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos so far. Today I have come up with a new challenge that I'm going to take, which is going to be a 3-day juice cleanse detox diet. I'm not going to call it a diet, more of a cleanse, because it is not aimed at weight loss but more about cleaning my body from inside. So for 3 days I'm going to have only juices. So we're in 2021 where a lot of us will be looking to restart our health, nutrition and fitness goals. So this 3-day juice detox is something that is going to be perfect addition to that journey. So I thought of documenting it and sharing it with you guys. I got to learn about this 3-day juice detox from the Sattvic Movement channel, which is led by Shubha Jain, and they promote a lot of healthy eating, clean eating, and they're really good, I think. So I'm starting my day one with this Ashgard juice and I'm almost done halfway through it. I'm going to be sharing all of my juices throughout the 3 days, any challenges I face, if I feel hungry or not. And the most important part is how I break my fast, because more important than fasting with a juice fast, breaking it is very important so that your body gets a correct benefit. So in order to see how I break up my fast after 3 days, keep watching this video till the end. I just finished my first juice of day one, which was Ashgard juice, and the reason why it is recommended to start every day with Ashgard juice is because this is very alkaline, so it goes into your intestines and removes all the toxins and gunk which is accumulated in your intestine. So every day start your juice diet with Ashgard juice and just see how it goes from there. So it's 7:15 right now and I just came back from an evening walk and I am feeling a little hungry. So I walked for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes, and because I'm feeling hungry, I had made this juice right before going for a walk. So this is my juice 2 of day 1. This is a green juice, and in this I've put spinach, cucumber, kiwi and a little bit of mint and lemon. I'll put a picture right here. So my juice 2, and I'm going to have this, and my third juice for the day is going to be coconut water. It's 8:30 now and I'm going to have this coconut water. I think this is going to be my last juice or drink for the day. After this I'm not planning to have anything because I'm feeling full, even though I am craving sugary stuff, especially tea right now, because it's like I didn't have tea yesterday just by chance, and I am a tea lover, so I'm craving tea, but it's okay. We'll have this coconut water instead and call it a day. And tomorrow I'm going to start early, so I'll be having almost 5 juices tomorrow. So this is the end of day 1. See you tomorrow. Hi, so we have made it to day 2 of our 3-day juice fast, and today I'm starting my day again with Ashgard juice. And I did have a fasting of 14 hours since the coconut water till now, and I was feeling a little bit hungry at night because I'm so used to having my stomach full when I go to bed, but of course I just had water and now I'm going to have this. So today, since I'm starting my day early, I'll be having 5 juices throughout the day and I'll be sharing it with you guys. So let's have this now. I just returned from the salon and I had gone to get a haircut done. It's still the same day, day 2, and I'm starving right now. I'm going to have this coconut water quickly and then go ahead and have another juice. If you want to know more about where I got my haircut and how was my experience, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because that's where I share all these details of my day-to-day life in form of Insta stories and videos. We are still on day 2 and I've just changed because I was shooting something. It's 4:30 right now and I'm going to have my next juice, which is this orange juice. It's fresh orange squeezed. So I'm just going to have this now. This is so refreshing. We have made it to day 3 of our 3-day juice cleanse, and I had some fruits yesterday night because I was having a massive headache in the middle of the night at 2 o'clock, and so I had kept some kiwi and strawberry to actually make a juice out of them, so I ended up having that instead. So I'll insert a clip here, And now it's day 3 and this is my second juice of the day. I started my day with Ashgard juice as usual, and now I'm having this ABC juice. It's apple, beetroot and carrot, and I have shared the recipe of how to make this on my Instagram, so you can go and check it out there. This tastes delicious because of the apple that we have added in this. Very sweet and nice. In the evening I had coconut water followed by orange juice, and it's 10 o'clock at night now, so this is end of day 3, and let's meet you tomorrow, day 4, on how to break your fast. I have finally reached the 4th day and completed 3 days of my juice fast challenge. So I'm breaking my fast with some coconut water, and I'll follow it up with some fruits. I'm having pineapple. So yesterday night I also had some pineapple as I was very hungry. Overall, during this fast, what I've realized, or what I felt my experience was, is that during the first 3 days, during the first day I was not hungry at all. Second day, only towards night I felt extremely hungry, and third day I was hungry throughout. That was my experience. It might be different for you guys, and I did really enjoy taking up this challenge because it has brought back the appreciation for food, which I had kind of lost because we're so tired of having the same food all the time. So now I'm really going to appreciate any food that I have, so I'm excited. And I'm breaking my fast with this coconut water as well as pineapple. So you can go ahead and pick any juice and fruit and follow it up with soup. If you have fasted for 3 days, it should take you half the time, so in this case 1.5 day, to break your fast, because that is equally important, and that is what I am going to follow as well. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and let me know if you are going to take this challenge as well. If you do take it, share your pictures with me and I would love to see them. Also tag me on Instagram if you're sharing the picture from this challenge, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, like and hit that notification, and share this video with your friends who you want to challenge to take up this 3-day fasting challenge. So until next video, this is bye bye from me, Nishma Khetia, from the Millennial Lifestyle Fix. Bye bye and take care. I have reached the day 4, or finished my 3 days. Hi guys, so I had coconut water followed by orange juice, and it's 10 o'clock at night right now. Hi guys, so we have reached